Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 5-day life challenge where I built a simple membership site. This time I managed to go live finally. I hope we will have someone to join me and you can ask me anything during the live call, but I will try to answer all those questions in the end after we finish the live. But for now, let's just go through what we did yesterday. So basically today we are going to do a member login and dashboard. And here is actually where we started yesterday. Just a moment. So what yesterday was, we have this, we built this. It has a lot of work, it needs lots of work, but for now it looks solid and has many things that are good, many things that are not. But now we are going to focus just on the members setup and authentication and everything. So I wanted just to show you yesterday what I did. We created these instructions, and from these instructions Lovable built this website with sub pages, pages for where content will go, so the members area, but we don't have the members login and sign up and everything. So that's what we are going to build today. And without talking too much and without further explanations, what I'm going to do now is give the instructions to Lovable. I just must say once again, I'm not preparing too much. Of course, I know what I want. I have an idea what is the final goal, but I'm not editing anything outside these lives. Everything is built live, starting from yesterday and until until day 5. So that's how we are going to continue now. We have this what we did yesterday, and now I'm just going to give a few instructions to Lovable to set up the members and authentication and everything. So this is what I'm going to say. Add user authentication using Supabase. We want name, email and password. Create a simple sign up page and login page. After user logs in successfully, redirect him to a member dashboard with a welcome message using his name, and show him his members area, actually members area with all the 5 lessons where we are going to add with us. So this is what is we are going to ask it to do this, and basically that's enough. I think we will see. So let it build it. It will take a while, maybe a few minutes. So in the meantime, I just want to take my phone and do a quick check. Is the live actually inside the Facebook group? As you can see, it is still building. They want us to choose where is the project hosted. I usually choose America if I'm not specifically in my country, so we will allow it, and it will create everything according to the best practices available, and it will take just a few minutes. So I just want to go to the group quickly, very quickly. As you can see, this is going to create a real sign up with the real email. We are going to be able to create the user profile and sign up and login pages, and there will be a dashboard available, and after you log in you will be able to see all the data, all the stuff that we are going to add later from the challenge. Actually, what I'm going to add in this membership site is all these 5 videos from the 5 days of this challenge. So this is going to be the membership site, and I will also add some extra tools, scripts, everything that can be used to make this process even easier for anyone to follow and build their own membership site or something similar. So profile stable and authorization is here. Now it's building the sign up and login pages, and soon everything else will be there. So from what I see, I am really live, so that's good. What is not good yet is there are no viewers, but that is not surprising. I didn't promote this too much and just started announcing it yesterday on my Facebook group. So, but if you watch this a little later, as I said, ask me anything and I will answer in the group, or answer tomorrow on another live. And remember, this challenge is happening next 3 days. So today is day 2. 3 more days. I will go live at 5 p.m. And on day 5, I will show you some of the best ways how to make money with this. And I will show you one way. I actually sold one application yesterday to one local business here. And this is the great method you can use and do everywhere. We are getting close to the final pages. So after it's created, we are going to test it all out. So basically what I'm going to do is, yes, everything is now done. So what we are going to do now is, first I want to show you what's happening here. Is it working? So I'm going to update and publish it. So we are going to test it on the real page on the academycreationview.com. Just a few seconds, so it's updated, and we are going to load it. Load the page and sign up there. I can check here. Join the challenge is free. Okay, he didn't actually update these pages. Okay, so this is what is a little bit something we had to specify for him, and this is something that happens when you don't set up everything right. As I said yesterday, it's the best to create one instructions and tell it to build it, then this wouldn't happen. I wouldn't have to add links directly to the, actually I wouldn't have to tell it again to add links to sign up page. So, but now I won't be changing it. I will just go to those pages, and when I set up the payments and everything, I will fix this so it goes to all the links. So now, as you can see, we have all these pages here, login, sign up, dashboard, but we have published it, and I'm going to go to the sign up page here. So just click on sign up page. What I'm going to do is change to sign up with my real name and email. Actually, I'm not sure did it is the setup to automatically sign up here or not, but doesn't matter. Here, sign up. Probably no, but okay. let's see, do I need to confirm my email or no? If not, I will, no, we don't have to confirm email, but this is what we are going to change later. And he did basically what we asked it to do. So we are now in the members area. That's what, just the way we planned it. There is my name. I asked it also. Everything is just perfect as we wanted it to be. But now what I wanted to show you is some of the stuff that many people mention, and I think just scaring people of not doing this wipe coded applications, because they make all the people who are not very used to coding and everything to be scared of what will happen, to make them scared, will the page be safe and everything. But for this simple application, one of the main things we need to check is RLS security check, and that's what is happening in the database here. RLS policy. So we want to make sure that user cannot see any other data but their own. So as you can see here, users can view their own, just own profile, and they can insert data on change their own profile, and that's basically it. They can only use, so they cannot see any other profiles. And one more thing what I wanted to create and show you how easy it is. So you can see my username is here, but I want to have his email is enabled. I want to add Google. So also there will be a Google sign up, sign in. Save. And I also want to check email here, and we want to, now we have auto confirm email. So you can sign up with any email and it will automatically, user will be automatically created, but I want an email to be sent, and you must press a link in the email, and then you will be able to sign up here. So when I give you the link later, that's how it will work. And save again just in case. And also one more thing I wanted to see is so yeah, email confirmation, that's on, that's finished. Basically just hold, so now I'm live, how long? I think 10-15 minutes, and this is basically, it could have been done even faster. I will try to give you the link to this page, so you can sign up immediately. So I will post the link to the sign up form here, so you can check it yourself that it's working, that everything. And as you can see, continue with Google is also here. The link is here. Yeah, 14 minutes I'm live. I didn't do live for I think maybe a few years, so sorry for possible confusion and me being slow, but I'm sure every day will be much better and maybe little bit easier to follow. I'm not able to post the link at the moment because my computer is a little slow with this live. So let's just continue to one more thing I wanted to show you today. Here now, show you some examples of what I did. So this is what we saw. This is one of the applications. This is the for storage database. They can follow the status of all the storage they have. So everything can be changed, everything is prepared just according to the requirements of this company. And actually it's very easy to, it was very easy to set up. And of course this is just an example I showed them, and I made this in 5 minutes, but what I did later is create a little more complex application, and that's what they are going to use with all the security setup and with all the specific requirements they had. But what I did was, actually this is, I'm going to show you on Friday exactly how I got this client to get this application done for them. This is for the hairdresser company, hairdresser service. Also very simple to build, but very useful. They can, for the new reservation, they can add the name, the service, and automatically each service allocates time for them, how much time they need, and they can choose what is the, basically everything according to this business, what they need. They can set up the working time here, services can set up here, and you can remove and add. Again, this was built very quickly using Lovable, and very amazing what we can do in these times. And this is what I showed you yesterday, my AI app Launchpad. Actually, this is the website that we use to prepare the actual application we use to prepare this membership site. The first instructions are built from here, but as I said yesterday, you can also use ChatGPT or Claude, and that's basically it. So I think this is for today. Everything I planned for today. And this is what is going to happen tomorrow. As you can see, day 2 is done. We have homepage, we have live URL, we have member login and sign up page done. Members dashboard is finished. And tomorrow we are going to do some other stuff to make it a little more beautiful and a little more to look like just the way I want it. So in next 2 days we are going to update the sales page. We are going to use some of the prompts to make the copy on the page much more professional, much more better, and the membership area is going to need some changes because there is some things that are not supposed to be there. And I'm going to start adding these videos that we are creating, that I'm doing every day. So this is going to be 5 days of videos inside. Thank you for watching, and looking forward to see you tomorrow at the same time, 5 p.m. Bye bye.